Welcome to my channel once again. If you're new, my name is Debbie, and yeah, today is a vlog. Even though I don't really have any plans. The only thing I know is I'm going to get my junior brother from school. They're vacating today. Yeah, I guess that's what I'm doing. I don't know if any new thing will pop up. So guys, I'm out. When I was doing the intro, I was thinking of going to take my breakfast, but it's not ready, so I'm going. My hair is done by Salva. But anyways, if you haven't watched the tutorial on how I did this braids, do watch it. I'll try and link it in the description box, like down below. So guys, I'm in my brother's school now. He called me telling me they'll be having like PTA meeting around 8 and that they'll close around 10. But actually, the PTA meeting is rather 10. And I don't know when they'll close. It's like 9 right now. 9:20 or whatever. So I'm still waiting. I haven't even seen him. I'm taking my breakfast, guys. So guys, that is his face. Hey, your hair is basal. And pimples all over his face. So that is him. Say hi. Say hi, la. So am I the one crazy now? Say hi. Say hi. So we're now going home.
Okay.
Yeah, but sound dancing in the one.
I'm going.
Yeah, but not.
Ana mbwana. Okusa wake na APP NDC na you. Ana mbwana. Ana CPP ni mbwa. Wake na APP ni tuchumwa na isi.
Dabi.
Okubiala.
Change it, then I'll take it from. I'll see ya. I'm super hungry. Hey, I told you guys we are hungry. The bango is still not ready. Like my auntie is cooking today. She's not done with the okra. So the okra is like still on fire and bro, like sis, I can't wait. So since my brother has a lot of Indomie, we decided to I decided to cook some real quick, like Indomie with no vegetables, no onion, nothing. Raw like this, you see. But please, if you ever eat Indomie, make sure you have like a lot of vegetables inside. Let the vegetables be more than the Indomie. But if you are in a hurry, Charlie, for cooking like this, sharp, like. So we just finish eating this, and then I'll take him to the barbecue salon, like I told you guys. And then in another butter. This. He went to sleep a bit, so we are now going to the barbecue salon. You guys should just let me talk. We're not going to the barbecue salon. Then I want to say hi. He's taller than me, like, man. And my cousin just came. You remember this girl? Look at her face. Oh, see their eyes. Like toys. She wants to go, so let's just hang around here and then wait for her to come. Hey, man. Hey, I'm a game now. I can't want y'all today. Boys and girls.
Box no ID. Not the meetings also. Instead to another box now. No ID numbers. It's a very no. And needing no friend.
So boy.
Oh man. Come on. I'll do it. What's the first night?
You just came to say hi. Oh, the Bible salon is not so far from where we live, so we are walking. Bye, your biscuits. Yeah, so we are done. Like, we are done. Isn't it looking good? Let me see our boy. Hey, Charlie, guys, we are done. I mean, we're done with whatever we were doing. But I have to take my brother to my mother. My mother is at Aqua, actually. So, we have like some heavy bags here. So I just ordered an Uber to come and pick us up. So when they get here, you guys are going to know. So guys, today is actually the next day. I am so sorry. This was supposed to be like a whole day something, but it's the next day because like Taco Road is like so bad, very very bad, and it rained on top. So like we spent like a lot of time on that road. We didn't get home like early at all. And on top of that too, there was no light on the game, like blackout, light out. There was no light, and my battery had died already, so I couldn't make an outro. That's why I'm just doing it this morning to just, let you guys know what happened like last night. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for spending the whole day with my brother and I. Make sure you share the links to your friends, comment down below, like, and do all of that stuff. And I'll see you in my next video.